Welcome to part 6 of painting a person with watercolor paints, mixed media, and finishing touches. I'm going to use acrylic paint and markers for these finishing touches, and I'm going to start with some black acrylic paint. This will be used for the hat and the coat and a little bit in the ribbon. It will create some really nice definition between the hat and the ribbon. If I paint that little top area black there, and then it'll also create some nice definition for the folds of the ribbon. There's some tonal differences that you can see now because the paint is thinned with water, allowing it to flow nicely, but also allowing it to be transparent. Once again, I'm just filling in the black rim of the hat, and then I will come up the other side of the ribbon and create some shadow on that side of the ribbon as well. I'm actually mindful of the directions my brush strokes are going now because they represent sort of the directions of the fabric of the hat. So I'm kind of keeping it all going in one way. I'll also use this black to delineate where the hair is going to be as opposed to the hat. So the brush strokes for the hat are going to go kind of one way, and the brush strokes for the hair are going to go in the opposite direction. Move your painting around to get better angles in order to complete these brush strokes. And I'm just filling in the rest of the hat here. Also, because I'm using black, if I extend out into the background, it makes a nice crisp line for the hat and the coat against the background. Doing the coat, I'm going to try and differentiate the label, or the lapel I should say, from the shoulder by changing the direction of my brush strokes. I'll let all the black dry, and then before I use markers to finish it. Actually, before I even use markers to finish it, I'm going to spray it down with this clear coat so that it protects the painting. I'm using a matte coat so it's not shiny. It's just a light spray. And then I'm going to use this black permanent marker for areas that I want totally black. To avoid marker lines, I will rub the marker while it's still wet to blend it like blending pencil or charcoal. In the shoulder, I want to define the edge of the coat, but I don't want a hard line, so I'll blend it with my finger as well. This blending marker seems to work because I sealed it with a clear coat. I'll turn the painting and define the hat by the ribbon and the face, leaving a little area clear of the marker that will be her hair. I'm going to draw a few thin lines of hair down from the hat, and finally the black marker will be used for the top of the hat. With the black marker permanent done, I'm going to use a water-based marker to accentuate the eyes and the nose. The water-based marker is transparent, so it allows paint to show through. The gray will show through in the ribbon and in areas of the skin. And the black water-based marker will define areas in the nostril and the folds in the ribbon. And you can see how I'm using that and blending it also with my finger. And there you have it, the final product. I'll make a time-lapse video so you can see the whole process from start to finish. Thanks for watching.